Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about three major things which you can do as a teenager to start off in your career or start just earning money. So I would say just learn a skill and upscale it. So coming back to the three different things. The first skill I would ask you to learn is digital marketing. Because in this era, digital marketing space is not so saturated right now, and you can learn digital marketing, scale up as a freelancer, or even open up your own agency and later. So digital marketing is one of the skills which pays you really well and in long term. It is not a game of today. So digital marketing is going to go all the way through like hundreds and hundreds of years from now. It is never going to stop. So digital marketing is one of the things you can learn right now and which will help you in a really long run, and which will help you earn crazy amounts to you can start off with like 50 $60 and you can go up to $1,600 per month, $1,500 per month easily. So the second thing I would say, learn photography and video editing. So the man behind my camera is a video editor. The man behind my camera is a photographer. And yes, I need to pay them. Okay. So we will always need photographers, no matter which AI comes in, which product photography AI comes in, but there always needs to be some human touch. And photography is, I believe, it is a fun job to do, and not everyone would love it, but some would. And who don't love photography can always get into the editing part, right? So if you are a really tech savvy guy or girl, so you can get into video editing, and you have hundreds and thousands of courses on YouTube. You can just go up there and you can see like there are hundreds and thousands of courses. I know it can be a bit oversaturated, but there can be some good channels. I'll just list them down on the comment section, and you can just go there and you can learn how to do a video edit. So video editing can pay you the same thing. Video editing is never going to stop. This is a service which you will need for next hundreds and thousands of years, because there is no going back from now. So video editors are going to earn crazy in this era, and you can be one of them. So the final thing, this is for the people like me who are not, who don't know what to do. There was a point in my life where I just called my best friend and I was like, "Bhai, paise kamane hai." This was the only thing in my mind, that I want to earn money, but we did not have a plan. We did not have anything. So the first thing we did, we seeked for a job. So unfortunately, we were underage back then and we did not get a job. So I hope you're 18 by now and legally into the labor laws. So go ahead and get a job. You don't even know how much exposure it will get you. The day I turned 18, I got a job. I did it for a month and I learned a lot from it. So getting a job will be one of the biggest things in your personality. You will earn money, at the same time you will meet people. You will make a huge network, and you will be, you'll be a totally different version of yourself when you look back, and definitely you're going to earn money. So as a part-time guy, you can easily earn around 10,000 in Decathlon, or I would say take up a sales job, because sales is a crucial part of life. When I took the job, I took as a cold caller. I used to make hundreds of calls every day. All right. So I was on a commission basis. That is a different story. But yeah, you could earn anywhere around 10 to 15,000 by now. But that sales job will pay you off in a really long run if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to come into the product based business and the retail business, and if you want to sell the product to someone, the sales skills will help you in a really long run. So the three things I mentioned today were video editing, social media marketing, and get a job. So I don't care what job it is. It should not just be specific to sales. If you're interested in photography, get an internship with a famous photographer of your city. If you're really into social media marketing, get an internship in that. If you don't know what to do with life, just go to a random cafe and just get a job and work your ass off. So that was it for today, and see you in the upcoming videos. So if you guys really like the video, just hit that like button and smash that subscribe button, and see you in the upcoming videos, guys.